to my channel. In this video we're gonna discuss about how to get outbound leads for a web development company or a web development freelancer for free. So basically for a web development company which is a startup or a web development freelancer, so it's very hard to get it's hard to invest money in tools or marketing to get clients, right? So there's a free tool by which we can get the information of the businesses which don't have websites. So today we're gonna discuss about that such tool. uh, we'll get the information of the businesses which don't have websites for free. So uh, that tool name is knocker.io. I don't know whether anyone heard about this tool or not. So I'm trying to register account in this, sign up with Google. So I'll try to sign up with my Google account, my Gmail. So I'm trying to sign up with one of my account. Yes, I did a sign up for the free account. I'll try to search for the location where I want this business informations. So now I'll select the business types. So there are many categories which you can see here. You can select any category for which you want the business informations. I'm just trying to show you all the categories which are available. So I'm gonna search. So I want the business information of uh, such businesses in human resources category which are located in Hyderabad, which don't have websites, right? So I selected the location as Hyderabad, and I selected business type as human resource consultant. So I'm just confirming the search request. So here is a pop-up. Congrats, Knocker is preparing your search results. You will receive a CSV with your results by email soon. So they're gonna mail me a CSV file based on my requirement. So I'll try to check my mail. So see this. This is the confirmation mail. This is the welcome email. I got it. So what it is telling us, you are currently under our starter plan, forever free with up to 20 leads per month. So you can get up to 20 leads per month for free. So if you want beyond that, they're gonna charge you. So I'll tell you about the pricing as well. So I'm just waiting for the mail based on my search results. It may take time, but you will get it. So it is currently under processing. Meanwhile, I want to discuss about the different plans available in this tool. So you're gonna get 20 leads per month for free. You need not to pay any money for that. And if you want 100 leads per month, you should they will be charging you $49 per month. And if you are looking for at least 500 leads per month, you need to pay $199 per month. And if you want 2000 leads per month, they're gonna charge you 600, almost $599 per month. So as a freelancer or as a startup, it's like we are okay with the startup plan. So it is still taking the time, but you will get it. So I think you got it. I think we got it. Just a minute, we'll check it. So what it is telling you is we have successfully completed the search request. You can find your results in the attached spreadsheet. Okay. Leads found, leads requested is called 15. We requested 15 leads while trying to search, and we got 7 leads it found 7 leads. So we'll check that spreadsheet. So you got the business name, address, city, the Google Maps location. Even you will get the phone. Yeah, you got their phone number as well. So this is their business information as per this tool. So we can actually search them, and we'll can contact them and try to pitch about website development services and how these in currently how in how these websites can help their business grow. I think you got the good knowledge on this tool. So that's all for the day. Thanks. Bye.